to fix no SIM card detected in Android. In order to fix this issue, you can easily open your dialer and you can type a code which is star has 4636 has has a star. Then you'll get access to this phone information page. If you don't find that way, then you can go to Play Store and download this 4G LTE only mode application which look like this and open it. You'll be taken to the same phone information page by doing the both methods. Once you're on this phone information page, make sure you have toggle off mobile radio power. If it is toggle on in this way, you just need to tap on the mobile radio power button and toggle it off. You have to wait for a while and exit the application or exit that page. Once you have done that, you need to restart your device. For that, you can hold on your power button. Then you can slide towards restart and easily restart your device. Once you have done that, you can easily fix no SIM card detected in Android problem. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.